Ever spent an evening meticulously stapling those tiny slips of thermal paper together, desperately hoping you haven't lost the one that proves that office supply haul was absolutely necessary? Yeah, us too. Those days of expense report purgatory might be a thing of the past, though. We're talking about a world where capturing your spending is as easy as snapping a picture. Intrigued? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the world of Expensify and its potential to transform your expense tracking experience. But before we jump in, let's address the elephant in the room. Does Expensify even have an app? The app that saves the day and your sanity. The answer, my friends, is a resounding yes. Expensify boasts a mobile app that's the beating heart of its entire system. Available on both iOS and Android, this app is designed to be your one-stop shop for capturing, categorizing, and submitting your expenses. So, how does this magic app work? Imagine this: you're grabbing a business lunch with a client. The bill arrives, and instead of shoving it into your wallet with a sigh, you simply whip out your phone, open the Expensify app, and take a picture of the receipt. That's it. Expensify's magic then takes over. Its smart scanning technology extracts the key details, date, vendor, amount, and automatically populates them into the expense. No more manual data entry, no more blurry photo woes. But wait, there's more. Expensify can also intelligently categorize your expenses. That fancy lunch with the client? Expensify might suggest meals and entertainment. No more scrambling to remember which category that random office supply store falls under. Beyond the basics, features that make Expensify shine. Now, the magic doesn't stop at receipt scanning and categorization. Expensify offers a whole suite of features designed to streamline your expense reporting workflow. Mileage tracking. Say goodbye to manually logging your miles. The app can track your car trips using GPS, automatically calculating the distance and potential reimbursement amount. Multi-currency support. Travelers rejoice. Expensify handles multiple currencies with ease, automatically converting them for you. Seamless integrations. Expensify plays nicely with other financial tools you might already use, like QuickBooks and Xero. This means no more exporting and importing data, everything flows smoothly. Expense policy management. For businesses with specific spending guidelines, Expensify allows you to set up customized expense policies within the app. This can help ensure employees stay compliant and avoid any headaches come reimbursement time. Is Expensify the perfect solution for everyone? While Expensify boasts a robust feature set, it's important to consider your specific needs. Freelancers and small business owners might find the free tier with limited features perfectly adequate. Larger companies, on the other hand, might require more advanced functionalities offered in the paid plans. The takeaway: say goodbye to expense report hell. Whether you're a freelancer drowning in receipts or a business owner managing a team's expenses, Expensify offers a compelling solution. Its mobile app is a game changer, simplifying the expense tracking process from start to finish. So, ditch the paper trail and embrace the digital age. With Expensify, you might just find yourself looking forward to expense report day. Crazy, right? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.